Guys, it's official. I'm in my apartment. It's empty. I'm so excited. I'm going to give you guys a little tour. This is my kitchen. I got my shoes down there because I didn't want to mess with the carpet. The dining room area. Let me back up. This is huge. The dining room area. This is my beautiful kitchen. Look at that. I just hooked up my Wi-Fi. Oh, look at this, beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. My refrigerator. Okay. And let's go look at my beautiful living room. I already seen that. Let's go walking down the hall. Beautiful. This is the spare bathroom. Mostly, well, no, I'm sorry. This is the laundry room. It's huge, isn't it? Okay. Now I'm going to take you into guest bathroom. This is the guest bathroom right here. Let's see. I want y'all to see me. Ain't this beautiful, guys? I've been waiting so long. And it's probably my sister or someone calling. This right here is Taraya's room, guys. She don't know that I got this apartment. I'm going to surprise her and acting like we're just being nosy. But when she looks at this, she's going to know this is her room. I'm so excited. I got her favorite pictures right here in the doll. Let me show you the doll. So she's going to know this is her room. Now, this is her closet. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Now come walk with me. Come on to my room. This is my room. So excited. Guys, the wait is over. Now this is the master bathroom. Hope y'all don't see my ugly self. Lisa, this looks so much like yours, doesn't it? Okay. My walk-in closet. Look at that. This is mostly where I'm going to do my beauty room right here and make that. My sister said put a corner right there, so that's what I'm going to do. Guys, I'm so excited. I cannot wait until y'all come over and look at it.